First Jefferson Market. First, God, so hot. First Chevron, then Home, okay?
Have the AC on, like that.
Los organizadores de los Juegos Olímpicos de París 2024 afirmaron que las camas de la Villa Olímpica serán sólidas y cómodas para todos los atletas. ¿Y quién le dio elección? Sí, no, ya no sé. Es un tema de edición de AAA y de conglomerado. Pero si no hay Digo, no sé si las crean, pero yo creo que no. Pero va a poner una
Want anything?
Oh, no, no.
Okay?
Yeah, oh yeah. Let's see, how to go. Don't slam the door, damn. How many times I have to fucking tell you? I don't care if you claim to be autistic, you don't do that. Jeez. Tell you every fucking time and you don't fucking listen. Hurry up, just get the fuck in there. Buy you fucking liquor. That's all you fucking do anyways. Buy more and more liquor. That's why you have anger issues. Yeah, he always forgets crap in here. Always leave stuff in the car. I am not waking up early tomorrow. I don't work on Saturdays. Don't even make me do this. Yeah, I'm not waking up early. I am not doing that. Not happening.
Hacemos una pausa. En breve regresamos a la tercera edición de Imagen Informativa. Todos los segundos abrocharse el cinturón de seguridad. Juan no se tomó el tiempo para hacerlo y por eso todavía se está recuperando de un choque automovilístico de hace años. Ricky no pensó que fuera importante.
Oh, I hope he gets your lucky nose ring. It's pretty cool. Oh boy, come on. Lucky nose ring. It's pretty cool. Nose ring, that's pretty cool. Oh, I like your nose ring, that's pretty cool.
Sorry?
I like your nose ring, that's pretty cool.
Oh, thank you,
Yeah,
man.
you're welcome. Nice
Thank
cat. Yeah.
Have a good day.
Hi, too, yeah.
Oh, Niner fan.
Yeah, nice. Yeah, I like your tats, although. That's cool.
Cowboy.
Yeah, oh, cool. Nice.
Have a good day, man.
Hi, too. Yes. Oh, man. Tires. I need that for my tires. Oh, changing here. Forget. Funny. Wait, go down to school. Way down to school. Oh. That in. Okay. Max AC. Okay, good. Max AC. Gas, that's expensive. Yikes. Come on, Evan, hurry up. Oh. Why is he going around? The fuck? He's going around for no reason. Dude, doors won't look. Okay. Oh boy.
Hey, thank you.
Oh yeah, no, I'm good.
I'm sorry you're you know what, okay, I'm sorry about the strike. I should have put it. I'm sorry. Okay, let's go please.
Yeah.
Let's go back.
Oh,
Are you
yeah.
on?
Oh yeah, no.
I'm not really, you know what.
Oh yeah, no.
I love you.
Okay. Yeah, no, yes. Watch cars and they drive pretty reckless here.
We'll see. Don't say. Okay. I was like cheating, Dick. I just almost called you something. I'm sorry. I was like cheating, Joe.
Oh. Oh, yeah, no.
Oh, I'm not so bad. You're a good person, Joe.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, God, so hot. I don't imagine what's going on with this, sir. Thank God I'm not working in Yountville. And too lots of they wouldn't let me drink water because they fought for some stupid bureaucracy hotel race at Bellagio.
restaurantes, cuéntanos. ¿Dónde quedó tu primera computadora? ¿En qué terminó tu primer consola de videojuegos? Cada mexicano genera al año unos 5.8 kilogramos de basura electrónica, algo así como el peso de una pantalla de 50
Your person is some gun. Thank you. That's how's life treating you, Joe?
Okay.
Your person is some gun.
Gracias, Ernesto. Sí, ¿usted se acuerda dónde ganó su primer computadora? Se la llevaron ropa bella. Yo todavía trabajo, ¿tú la usas? Entonces, con ella, habitantes de Tabasco y Chiapas alertaron de la muerte de monos aulladores, aparentemente por las altas temperaturas y la falta de agua por la sequía, aunque expertos señalan otros posibles factores. Ernesto Méndez. En el área, en redes sociales, conservación de la biodiversidad de los Humacinta AC dio a conocer que está formando un comité de apoyo entre organizaciones no gubernamentales y universidades para atender la emergencia. Obvious hizo un llamado a la Profepa, a la Semarnat y gobiernos de los estados a considerar esta situación como una emergencia seria, ya que en Tabasco y Chiapas se registran temperaturas de arriba de los 40 grados centígrados, sensación térmica de hasta 57 grados, que se agrava por la presencia de incendios forestales. Para imagen, resumen. Qué grave está viendo ahí la sensación térmica sobre el uso de esta tecnología para impulsar al país en el crecimiento económico y el desarrollo social y medioambiental. Leti Robles, tienes la información.
Después de meses de discusiones en el Senado,
You're a good person, you son gun.
emitieron la Agenda Nacional de Inteligencia Artificial,
Legs.
la IA,
What's
para
up these?
orientar el
Oh my
desarrollo y
god, that thing.
implementación de la inteligencia artificial en México hacia un futuro sostenible, inclusivo, ético y responsable. La agenda destaca que este desarrollo debe contar con una
I love you, I'm thinking my mom.
México en las 57.573 unidades. También terminó con datos históricos.
Autistic. I'm sorry.
Keeping stuff in the car. 1, 2, 3, 4. He always has to leave stuff. Always leave stuff in the car. Always has to leave stuff. Very impatient. Oh, the repetition. That's too much. Dude, stop repeating yourself. It's really dumb. I'll call it a spit. Lights off. Yeah. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. No. Dying there. Just keep it safe. Don't slam the door. Damn. Yes. Don't slam the door. You just hit the van. Yeah, you just hit the van with the door. He just hit the van with my door. Yeah. Don't slam the door.